2-pump here. I'm very happy with it. I've been using to pump up my dinghy. It works great. Multiple big tubes on the dinghy, 2 pontoons and a floor. I can go for many cycles of inflation cycles before the battery goes down. So you can use 2 different pressure indicators. You have PSI, pounds per square inch, or you can press it, it goes to bar. By cycling the switch right in. It's very easy. It has these 4 buttons. This turns it on and off. And then these buttons decrease or increase your pressure. Once you have your pressure indicated on the device, you just press this once and it turns it on and it pumps it up to pressure. It's charged through a 12 volt DC power socket. Plugs right in. And it's got a battery indicator right here. So it shows you when your battery is down and when it's fully charged. You have an inflate and then you have a deflate. So if you want to deflate your dinghy or whatever you're inflating or using, pool toys, you can put in deflate. And then it comes with multiple attachments too. This is the one that's for my dinghy. So I'm really happy with it. It's a good product.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.